Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Barbican Road. Now as you can see, they are doing some repairs on Barbican Road. They are relaying some asphalt. So they have dug up the road and they are now going to redo or relay the asphalt. Now Barbican Road was repaired through the major infrastructure road program a few years ago. But apparently the liability defects period has not passed. So the repairs are going to be done via the contractor, which is China Harbour Engineering Company, at their expense. Because when these roads are done, a certain guarantee is given for a certain period of time. And the road was damaged before that guarantee expired. Basically, it's like a warranty. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The defects liability clause for Barbican Road in Jamaica pertains to the contractual obligation under which the contractor, in this case, China Harbour Engineering Company, is required to rectify any defects or issues that arise within a specified period after the completion of the road project. Key aspects of the defects liability clause. One is the defects liability period. This is a set period typically ranging from 6 months to a year during which a contractor must address any construction faults or defects that become apparent after the project is completed and handed over. For Barbican Road, the exact duration of the defects liability clause would be specified in the contract with check. Scope of repairs. The contractor is responsible for fixing any defects that are identified during this period. These defects could include issues like potholes, cracks, drainage problems, or any other construction-related faults. Number 3, no additional cost. Repairs carried out under the defects liability clause are generally at no extra cost to the client as they are considered part of the original contract obligations. 4. Inspection and reporting. During the DLP, regular inspections are conducted to identify any defects. Residents and local authorities may also report issues, which a contractor must then address promptly. 5 is final certification. At the end of the defects liability period, a final inspection is conducted. If all issues have been resolved satisfactorily, the contractor is issued a final certificate, effectively concluding their responsibilities under the contract. This clause ensures that Barbican Road maintains its quality and safety standards, holding the contractor accountable for any deficiencies in workmanship or materials used. Alright guys, so that's the end of the article. So that is what is happening here on Barbican Road. We'll keep you guys updated on this project. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.